nakarating kami sa dagat, ang una ko talaga na-imagine, yung isang beach property na binebenta nga namin. Kasi ganito ang feels, ganito ang itsura. Fine sand. This is already Balera. But, yung feeling na nasa Cagayan ka lang. Tapos, particularly in Gonzaga. Tapos, dun sa kabilang side dun, I'll show you. Wait lang. Hindi ko mahanap yung flip. Wait lang, guys. Ayan. So, iikot ko lang kayo. Dun siya. Ayan. Dun. So, parang yun yung way sa Santa Ana. Then, eto na yung mga transient houses by the beach. And guys. And you know, this is a very nice investment, itong beach property. Especially if you build transient houses. Kasi, pagka na-establish na, like this one, Baler, itong dagat na area na to, itong beach area, it's just small. Hindi siya ganun kalakihan. Kaya nga na-imagine ko, parang ito lang yung nasa Gonzaga na property na project natin. Tapos, kukuha ka lang ng mga 200, 300, 500. Kung malaki-laki budget mo, pwedeng 1,000. Look at that. Ganun, guys. Look. Diba? So, ito na yung dagat. 'Di ba? Ang ganda. And the opportunity gives you passive income, source of passive income, and it's lifetime. 'Di ba? So, iniisip mo, for your retirement funds, for extra income, for passive income while you are working, because your employment is your active source of income, right? But if you build something like this, if you invest in real estate and you build transient houses, basta anything for rental business, grabe. Yung opportunity mo is unlimited and it's lifetime opportunity for you. Katulad nung sa amin, syempre kung ikaw biyahero, hindi ka na maghahanap ng hotel kasi mostly yung mga hotels nasa sentro, nasa town proper, 'di ba? So quite a distance from the beach. Pero itong mga transient houses, nasa tabing dagat talaga siya. So if you'd like to experience Baler, kasi nga sabi nga nila, 'di ba, surfing capital of the Philippines. And parang nafi-feel ko parang ganito ang mangyayari later on sa Gonzaga project. Ang gandang kumuha. Yung, alam mo, yung kinuha naming transient is 3-minute walk. Hindi siya naka-frontage. Hindi siya beachfront, kumbaga. It's an interior lot. Actually, sa kabilang daan pa. Tatawid ka pa ng 2 kalsada. Naglakad ka pa ng mga 3 minutes. But it's okay. Meron din silang pool dun. Tapos, eto nga, syempre yung mga bata would like to experience yung dagat talaga. So, early morning, actually wala pang sunrise, guys. Maaga masyado. And makulimlim. Kaya, sabi ko, sa dagat muna, bago sila mag-pool. Anyway, ang pool naman, marami lang yan sa atin, no? Yan. Yung transient namin is already one of the cheapest, I would say. Kasi nung namili ako, yung mga hotels and transient here ranges from, kasi family kami, it's a package, room rate for a family already, 6 packs, nagre-range siya ng 4,000. Supposedly kasi 3 nights kami, 3 days and 2 nights, so 4,000 plus, or let's say 5,000 hanggang 17 to 19,000 depending on where you're staying and depending siguro on the services and the amenities. So just imagine that if on a daily basis, isang room pa lang yon, a transient house or hotel near the beach here in Baler would make like 4,000 isang room. Not bad at all, 'di ba? Yung tinitirahan namin nasa, it's a townhouse type. May compound siya. Enough yung kanyang parking space for travelers. Siguro nasa 20. Kasi 10 sa baba, 10 sa taas na rooms. And it's big rooms talaga for group. Yeah. For groups talaga siya. And ini-imagine mo pa lang yung opportunity, right? Alam mo yung mga travelers naman, especially yung mga turista talaga, they won't stay like for long sa ayan, ano ginagawa niya? They won't stay for long sa sa transient house because of course lalabas at lalabas sila, 'di ba? Because they want to see around. Ayun. Hi Annalisa. Ayan. Hi Maria Mercedes. Yes, shall we everyone? Yeah, I cannot read all the viewers name right now. Ayan, medyo naglalag tayo guys kasi nga siguro mahina ang signal dito. But yun lang yung gusto kong i-share, na if you plan to invest in a property, magandang mag-invest talaga sa beach properties. Kasi yung opportunity mo talaga napakaganda. Na-imagine ko years from now, this property here, I mean in Cagayan, in Gonzaga, will be like this. Ganda. Ganda guys. So yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. Those who joined me, thank you so much. See ya later. Iikot pa kami mamaya.